To use the hotspot on your Pixel phone, you'll first go to Settings, and then on the very top, you'll go to Network and Internet. From there, you'll see a menu for Hotspot, and there's your toggle that allows you to turn the hotspot on and off. If you tap Wi-Fi Hotspot next to the toggle, you'll see your hotspot settings, including the name and password, and you can also edit both of those from here. Other devices can connect to the hotspot by looking up the name in their Wi-Fi menu and then connecting with the password. Or, if you want to be slick, you can use the QR code option. It's that little grid-looking thing next to the hotspot name, and it allows you to generate a QR code for your hotspot. You can then have another device point their camera to the code, and they'll get a direct link to join the hotspot without having to manually type passwords. And of course, once you're done, you can toggle off the hotspot and all connected devices will automatically disconnect. Nice and easy. And that's Hotspot on your Pixel phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick guides like this.